Sushi Mold Set. It's pretty cool. It makes 8 different shapes of sushi: circle, heart, triangle, rectangle, square, animal, semicircle, and fan. I have never made sushi before, so here I go. First, you're going to make your sushi rice. It has the rice wine vinegar and sugar in it, basically. And then you're going to kind of just mix it together. Again, this is my first time making sushi, so this is not perfect, but this is like gonna be really cool once I learn how to make it. It's pretty simple. You're gonna place your rice on the bottom, put your ingredients in the middle. I put way too much. I did it wrong. You're supposed to just kind of put it in the center. But basically, you're just gonna cut all your ingredients up. I put cream cheese inside. Um, it's really easy, but I did do everything way too big. But the point is this is really going to be a time saver for making sushi because my husband usually makes it without this product. And it's a lot more work. But you're going to put your sushi rice on top, and then you're basically going to, I wet my finger when I press it down, and then I wet my finger to hold this stuff together, which works really great. And then you're going to press it down again, and then you're going to cut it. Now, this comes with this knife, which we've used a lot, but it's super sharp when you get it. And this is going to be the final product. Now, I put too much rice on the bottom and not enough on the top, but as you can see, it does come out good.